Are you thinking about buying a protection plan for your new appliance? Well, before you do that, let's break down whether it's actually worth it. And if you have a protection plan that isn't working for you, don't worry, my contact information is at the end of this video. Many retailers offer protection plans for your appliances, things like extended warranties, repair services, and coverage for accidental damage. Sounds good, right? But is the price always worth it? First, let's consider the cost. Protection plans will set you back anywhere from 10 to 30% of the appliance price. For example, a $500 washing machine could come with a $50 to $150 protection plan. But here's the kicker. Many appliances already come with a manufacturer's warranty that covers defects for a year or even more. It depends. If your appliance is high-end, complex, or if you just use it a lot, a plan might save you money in the long run. But for cheaper appliances, you're probably better off saving that money for future repairs. Here's another tip. Consider using your credit card. Some credit cards automatically extend warranties or offer purchase protection. So before you say yes to that protection plan, ask yourself, is this appliance likely to break down, and is the cost worth it? And does my credit card offer similar coverage? Sometimes the best protection is just buying smart and maintaining your appliances. And if you don't, well, here's my contact information. My team is always ready to help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.